everyone, I'm Mallory, and I'm here to show you a 2020 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color is black and has 154,226 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 5.7 liter 8-cylinder gas engine and can put out 395 horsepower with a torque of 410 pounds per foot. This 1500 uses 16.2 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 11.6 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So now we're going to take a look at the driver's side front interior door panel. So looking here, you have your door handle, you have your power mirrors, your power windows, your child safety locks, and your power locks. Just in behind that, you have another door handle with a small compartment just underneath. And then at the bottom, you have two cup holders with a bigger compartment and then a speaker just off to the side. Quick look at the front interior, which is fabric seats with a leather steering wheel. And you also have a power driver's seat as well. Now we're going to take a look at some of the steering wheel audio controls. So these controls over here, these arrows, control your digital screen just right up there. You also have voice recognition, and you can pick up a phone call by clicking this button here. Over here, these are your controls for your cruise control. Jumping up to take a look at the odometer here. Looking over on the left-hand side at the bottom, you have your temperature gauge for your coolant. Just up from that, you have your RPM. Just to the right of that, you have your gauge for your battery. Just down below that, you have your big digital screen, which we right now have it set to how many liters per 100 kilometers that you use. But you can also see which direction you're going, what radio station you have on, the temperature outside, what gear you're in, and how many kilometers are on the vehicle. Just to the right of that, up top, you have your gauge for your oil. To the right of that, down below, you have your speedometer with miles per hour on the inside. And then just down to the far right, you have your fuel gauge. Jumping over here to take a look at the radio. So this is a touchscreen radio that you have satellite radio on, and like I said before, Bluetooth connection. And you can also control, so you have heated driver and passenger seat, which you can control either on the radio here or just down below here. You also have a heated steering wheel. You can see the backup camera just right there. Looking here, you have a navigation system. So we can click view map. That's just what that looks like. And if you go to the middle, you have your apps. So it has Wi-Fi on here. You can click on your backup camera, your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, your media, anything like that. Just jumping down here. These are your controls for your AC and your heat. And then down at the bottom, you have your tow haul, traction control, electronic parking brake, heated seats, and heated steering wheel just right there. Now, this is what our gear shift looks like. Instead of actually having a gear shifter, it's just a little knob. Then you have your 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, depending on what you're using the vehicle for. Just down here, you have your 12-volt outlet. And you have one little compartment in your center console, but then if you lift this part up, you have another compartment just down here, just a little bit bigger. You can store more things in it. Looking up here at a rear view mirror, so this is an auto dimming rear view mirror. And just up above that, you have your integrated garage door opener. Then you also have your controls for your power sliding sunroof. And now jumping over here, you have one compartment just above the glove compartment. And then down below here, you have your glove compartment, great for storing any maintenance bills for the vehicle or any manuals for the vehicle. You also, I forgot to, you also have a 115-volt outlet. Then as you can see over on the passenger side, you have your power locks and power windows over there. And now we're going to take one last look over on the passenger side. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. Alright, so now we're going to hop out and take a look at some of our exterior features. So just up front here you have your LED daytime running lights, you have your fog lights, and then you have your front tow hooks here. Coming up along the side you have your 20-inch alloy wheels with your integrated turn signal mirrors. And then down at the bottom you have running boards on both the driver's and passenger side. Coming up along the rear, we're going to take a look quickly at our rear step bumper. And now with dropping the tailgate, looking in here, you have 4 tie-down cleats. So you have 2 on the passenger side and 2 over on the driver's side. But you can store a small lawn tractor or small 4-wheeler in there. And there you go. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior rear features. So now we're taking a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So here you have your door handle with your power windows, and then another door handle just in behind that with a smaller compartment just below, and then at the bottom you have another bigger compartment with just a speaker off to the side. Quick look at our rear interior, which is fabric seats as well. Now these seats are a 60-40 bench seat split, and they do have car seat anchors. So you have 2 on the passenger side, 2 on the driver's side, 2 on the passenger side. Your armrest in the middle does fold down into cup holders. Now in here you have 2 seat back storage pockets. You have 1 in behind the driver's seats, 1 over there in behind the passenger seats with a 12-volt outlet just in the middle here. And then another set of cup holders just right down there. And as you can see over on the passenger side, you have your power windows over there as well. Now we're going to take one last big look at the rear interior. That was a look at our 2020 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock in black. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111. And one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.